Welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comment section below, or you can even email me. My email is in the description below. I'm also taking emails if you guys are having any technical issues with your, any of your technology. I can try to help you guys out. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix XINPUT1_3.DLL. Not found or missing error. And if you want me to pronounce it, I can try to. XINPUT1_3.DLL. And this also, it can also say XINPUT1_3.DLL is missing. XINPUT1_3 error loading, crash, was not found, could not be located, access violation. The entry point was, there was an error. The procedure entry point, XINPUT1_3.DLL error. Cannot find XINPUT1_3.DLL. Cannot register XINPUT1_3.DLL. And so on. I'm sure you guys get the point. So if you're actually getting this error, it's most likely that you need DirectX runtime. This is actually an optional package of the DirectX files, which happens all the time, and it's just one of the files that you need from there. But before we actually dive into that one, we're going to try a few other things beforehand before we try it out. So we're going to first hit the Windows button and see. One second. Windows button and see. See that to be coming up. So that's fine. We'll just search it. And we're going to type in CMD, which is command prompt. And we're going to right click on it and run as administrator. Oh, looks like it was open. That's fine. And from here, we're going to just type in SFC space dash scan now. See what comes up. It will begin scanning the system. Verification. So this tends to be a little bit, what's the word I'm looking for? Not accurate. It'll start saying like 1, and then it'll be like, it'll go all the way to 10, and then it might stop sometimes to 10, and then all of a sudden it'll jump to 80 all of a sudden. And honestly, it's just how Windows is. It used to be, Windows used to only have increments of 10 at one point. So you would only be able to see 0, and then it'd be 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. And you know what? While we're waiting for this, we can try another thing while we're waiting, and that is to update the display driver. So we're gonna go right here, back to the search, and then we're gonna write dev management, which is right here. Device manager, left click on that one. Let it load. And then once this loads, computer's a little slow today. We will go to the display adapters. And then we're going to obviously want to find whichever display adapter is yours. So mine's going to be this one. Update driver. Right click, sorry. We're going to right click and then update driver. And then we can do search automatic for driver. And it says best driver is already installed, which is fine. We can do for this one too. Right click, so highlighted, right click, update, search. Okay, so they're good. But basically, I'm gonna just say what's gonna happen here. Mine is obviously, it's probably gonna say nothing, that everything is working properly. Yours might say, it might just say, system error input 1_3.dll. This will kind of like do a little bit of a repair and fix your problem. So if this also doesn't work, so I'm just going to X this one. If this doesn't work, then we're going to have to go to the DirectX runtime like I mentioned earlier. So we're going to hit our browser. I'm going to open up Firefox. Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, doesn't matter. Computer's very struggling today, surprisingly. I think it might just be from my video card. My video card and my just overall. Okay, so from here, we're going to type in HTTPS www.microsoft.com-en-us -download -confirmation .aspx ?ID equals 8109. And once you hit enter, it should automatically start downloading, or it might come up and show where you want to put that file. Yeah, just like this. So we'll save it. And then now it's saving as we speak. Five seconds. While I have a moment, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe, and please check out any of my other videos. It'd be greatly appreciated. Helps me grow my channel, and yeah, lets me put more content out for you guys. So I'm going to open this guy up, and then you can read the agreements on your own. Hit enter. Where do I want to extract? So I will just put it on my desktop for now. That's definitely not what I wanted to do. Holy moly cannoli. Okay. So, yeah, just pick wherever and then just hit DX setup, hit accept, next, next, and then it'll just start downloading. I'm assuming this is all of the updates that were made to it, because it started in 2006. And the newest one looks like it's June 2010. 06, yeah. So June 2010. And then, yeah, that's basically it for that. We'll just let it run in the background, which is fine. Or, if this doesn't work, which I don't see why it wouldn't work, but for whatever reason, let's say it's not working, then we can actually just download the .dll file that we need. So we would just go to www.dll-files.com -xinput underscore 1_3.dll.html. Hit enter. And then you'll get this page. And we would just scroll down. And then we would find our... It would be one of the first two. Of course, because it's 918, 918, 944, 944. And then this is already older. 915, 779. So there's one thing to note about this is that, let's see what the process is. Okay. You would just let it run for however long it needs. But yes, it would complete and then it should work. But for this, so if you're just downloading the file itself that you need, we are going to need to look for this, and that is whether you have a 32-bit or a 64-bit. And how you actually find this is you would go to Start, Settings, oh, it's already downloading. And then we go to System, which is the first one. Left click on that one. And then we'd go About, which is the very last one. And it would show you right here, System Type, 64-bit. So mine would be this one. Close that. It would download. Probably gonna ask me where to put it. Yeah. Got 1,000 things running right now. So it's finalizing, which is great. This is already downloaded, so we can go to the file that it's contained in. And from here, we just hit cut. Cut X. And there you go. Components are installed. Fix that. I don't know why they put all of these and just didn't contain it in like 1 or 2 files. I'm so confused. Anyway, so I'll go here, extract all, extract, and then so this is the file that we need. And where we need to put it, which is so important to remember, so you need to listen to this part. We need to put this file so we can do a copy. We have to go to this computer and then C drive and then Windows and then scroll all the way down to System 32. And here, this is where we would put it if we were having that issue. But as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 already. So even if I try to paste it, it's going to say that I already have it. So I'm just going to skip it. And just like that. And that's basically it, guys. I hope that fixes your errors of the input. I'm going to be here for 15 minutes trying to delete all these. But in the meantime, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.